Hey girlies, it's Augusta. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this My Skin But Better makeup look, giving that glowy skin effect for summer. It's super easy and takes only a few minutes, so definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, but let's get into it. In order to get that super glowy, hydrated looking skin that you really want in summer, you need to make sure that the foundation of your skin is super hydrated. So I'm priming my face with the Rare Beauty 4-in-1 Optimizing Mist, and then going over this with my Nuxe glowing facial body and hair oil. This oil has such a beautiful golden glow, which is perfect for summer and adds a really nice even base under the makeup. The main part of this summer skin routine is going to be this tinted moisturizer step mixed in with the e.l.f. bronzing drops. The Supergoop Protectant already has SPF in it, so you don't even need to worry about applying sunscreen under your makeup, and it honestly gives the most skin-like finish. I find that a lot of base products get worse looking and maybe cakey towards the end of the day, but this one actually makes your skin look even better, and I find at the end of a long day my skin is still glowing and even toned. I rub the two products together in with my hands and then go over with a damp beauty blender just to even it all out. Next up, you're going to want to take your favorite concealer. I love the NARS Pot Concealer, and only apply a small amount underneath the eye and at the corner edge of the eye. Then going in and spot concealing any blemishes with a light layer. Blend with a beauty blender underneath the eye, tapping it in to the place where you applied it a lot before you go towards the outer edge of the eye to make sure that the product doesn't move too much. Next up, we're going to want to go in with our cream blush and highlight combo, applying the blush to the apple center of the cheeks and bridge of the nose. Choose a peachy pink blush shade because this is going to give you that natural summer glow, and I love this Rare Beauty luminizer to give you an even bigger glow on the high points of the face. You only need a super small amount because both these products are super pigmented. Using your finger to blend on the bridge of the nose so that it stays exactly on the top, keeping that cinched nose effect and almost acting like a nose contour. This is where the sun would naturally hit your nose, so it makes your nose appear more slim if you don't blend it outwards to the sides. On the cheeks, try to keep the blush quite near to where we applied it in the first place. You don't want to spread it too much all the way along your cheeks as a blush blindness kind of vibe. Then you can apply the excess on the eyelids just to give your eyes a nice pop of color, and it will make your face look super cohesive throughout. You can go over the blush with the beauty blender you use for your concealer just to even out the edges and make it look nice and natural and sun-kissed. You basically want it to make it look like your sun has slightly made you a little bit rosy, so I'm tapping the excess across the bridge of my nose, only a light layer though. We don't want to go too heavy with the powder because obviously this is a super glowy natural summer skin look. Make sure to blend out the concealer fully under the eyes before applying powder so that it doesn't crease at all. I'm using a very small brush to apply powder very precisely underneath the eye, alongside the nose and in my smile lines, making sure to tap off the excess powder before application so that we don't get any cakey looks. Sweeping the excess all over the eyelids so we don't get any creasing in the eye from the blush and base products, and you can add a little bit to the forehead as well. Since it's summer, you're obviously going to want to bronze up the face, and the Benefit Hoola bronzer is perfect for this. Instead of contour, we're just going to go straight in with the powder bronzer in a 3 shape, so it gives a more natural all-round glow rather than harsh definition and lines on the face. Make sure to sweep it all in upwards motions, brushing along the cheekbone rather than just beneath it, so it gives a nice blend into the blush shade. Make sure to apply a nice amount across the forehead, especially if you're wearing your hair back like me, and along the jawline too. You can sweep the excess of what's left on the brush down the neck so that it is cohesive with the face. Then I'm taking a small amount on my finger and applying it just below the bridge of my nose and on the very end underneath the nose to contour the nose in a very natural way. For brows, we definitely want to give a more natural brow look, so only go in with a brow gel. If your eyebrows are slightly lighter, you can use this one that I'm using, which is tinted. And if you have super sparse brows, get a natural brow pen and fill in a few stripes as if they were hairs, but don't go too overboard on the thick brow look. You just want to brush them up in the center, and then as you go towards the end, do more horizontal motion. This is going to give you a nice feathery brow effect. We've got lots of cream products going on, so you need to make sure it's all set in place and lasts all day, of course. Since the focus of this look is the skin and more of a natural vibe, we're going in with the lash color but no mascara. It's not quite a no makeup look, but you definitely want the skin to look like my skin but better. For this lip combo, I'm going in with a brown liner and a pink lipstick in the center to give a super pouty effect, and this is going to make the lips appear much bigger. Overline the cupid's bow of the lips, but line the rest of your lips in their natural shape, and this is going to give a pouty effect that makes your lips look just enhanced rather than super overlined and unnatural. But there you have the full My Skin But Better summer glowy makeup look. Once you've tried this a few times, it will take you literally 5 minutes. It's so easy, but makes you look nice and put together like you're glowing from the inside out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.